Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw Juice WRLD. We're going to do full body, so head, shoulders, going down to the legs. So let's go up to the top. Let's start with the nose area. So let's go in just about this point on the paper. And I'm going to pop in sort of here. I'm just going to do like a curve of a nose going on. So sort of just up there, just sort of go down, come out a little bit there. So just like up and down, just sort of idea of a nose there, a little bit of a bridge of a nose going on. I think it might be good to just get those sort of mouth features in. So I've got a little mouth sort of coming up here, just sort of gonna just pop in top area of the lip and then just come down like that. Bit of a moustache for the lip area, so I'm just gonna pop the pen along there, just sort of draw in a few little lines, just give that sort of light moustache area. And then what I can do is sort of work out the brows and the eyes around sort of here. You can kind of see this eye, so I'm gonna sort of draw in around here, just an oval at the top, oval at the bottom there, and then just pop in a little eye area there. This side is kind of hidden a bit with the type of hair, so I'm just gonna sort of draw around, kind of work out around here. We'll come under there, sort of above here, just give a hint of those eyes there. And then just a hint of the brows sort of going on just around there. So it's just nice to get that sort of initial face in. Gonna come down here, just put a little bit of a chin in. And then what I'm gonna do is sort of just bring my pen up this way, bring my pen up this way, sort of to the chin area. Then sort of come up this way where the ear's gonna be. So I'm just gonna pop an ear in sort of around here. And I've got that main sort of, I guess, facial area in. What I'm gonna do is sort of try and get the hair in. So it's all very distinctive sort of hair on Juice WRLD. So I'm gonna just sort of in the middle here, just sort of come down, sort of draw these little parts of the hair coming down, just sort of band it up, sort of draw these bits sort of coming out and around his head. We'll just have it coming out, just sort of pipe it around there, come around where those eyes are there, around there, and I can sort of fill in sort of the rest of the eyebrows there. And then we'll just sort of continue, sort of draw these little areas of the hair sort of coming out and around like that. Then they sort of come out sort of this way. Just sort of gonna sort of draw almost like little sort of piped, banded areas that come around with the pen like that. And then I've got quite a long one sort of coming down this way. Bring it back up there. Yeah, that's going on pretty good. Maybe there's a couple of longer ones just around here, down by there. And then what I've got is I'm going to do a little curve at the top here. So we'll band it around in that central bit. So I'm just going to darken that area there. Sort of comes out from the centre. And just sort of make it a little bit darker. So to just sort of bring the pen out a bit. Yeah, that's pretty cool, like that. And then at the top here, it kind of goes up. So sort of bring it up this way. Sort of comes outwards. Got that sort of nice sort of top area. Sort of popping out from that central bit like that. Again, I'm just gonna fill it in on the edges there, so we've kind of got this sort of darkness in the middle. It kind of comes out a little bit on the edges there. All right, that's pretty cool. Got that in there. So I've got that head area in. Now I'm gonna just pop in just around here. We're gonna put the neck area. So just sort of come down this way like that. Maybe just by the chin here. Like that, and then what I'm going to do is just pop this t-shirt area in. There's a little dip about there, and it sort of goes up either side, out there, kind of out this way, and around here. So sort of like the collar area. This sort of just pipes around sort of this way, and just a little bit of an area like that. And now I've got that sort of collar. What I'm going to do is just sort of draw this waistcoat area. So first of all, there's like waistcoat collars coming out. So these actually sort of come out from where we've drawn that collar, which is going to sort of come out nicely there. And on this side too, sort of around that way. And then what we can do is sort of bring those elements in like that. as we draw down here, I think it might be quite nice just to go down there with the sort of inner part of the waistcoat, sort of draw down this way here. And then on this side, sort of come in from this point, we can draw down the waistcoat area there. Shoulder area sort of comes out from that collar. So I'm gonna sort of come up to here, just sort of draw a nice sort of shoulder area in there, and then come out this way, sort of bring it along there. And then we can kind of come downwards and like that. And then on this side, sort of come downwards here. I've got a couple of pockets on this sort of waistcoat jacket area. So I'm just gonna draw a little sort of rectangle area. So I'm gonna bring my pen out there, come down both sides like that, join it up, and then I can just continue this line going down here. So come down here, join it up. Here, again, I've sort of got a pocket area. So first of all, I'm just gonna draw a nice rectangular area like that. And then I can just continue this down here, bring it along like that there. So I've got that nice sort of waistcoat area in. Okay, now I've got those bits in. Let's actually just continue the torso area. So I've got a t-shirt coming down this way, sort of this collar here going down here is like a nice sort of t-shirt area. So we're gonna come in a bit from where we just drawn that waistcoat, just a little bit, sort of about here. I'm just gonna come out like this. And on this side, we'll sort of start here, come out like that. Then we'll do a nice little curve around like so. Maybe just band that like that, okay? Cool. Now I've got that done. There's a little sort of key sort of chain fob going on here. So just gonna give a hint of a little like bit of sort of chain, a little bit of a key ring there. Now I've got that, I can draw the outer parts of the legs. So I've got an outer part sort of coming down this way here, and an outer part sort of coming in sort of here, just go down there. Couple of pockets again on the leg, so I'm just going to draw some little rectangles on the side there. They're just going to come out a little bit from the leg. There we go. And on this side, similar sort of thing, just like a little slim rectangle around there and up. And then we can continue going down to the knee area. So these sort of trouser areas are a little bit baggy, so they come down to the knee, sort of wind out a little bit. Same here, sort of come in and wind out a bit there. Let's just do the inner part of that. So let's go to the sort of central part of the legs here. It's going to be about that point there. We're just going to sort of draw a couple of marks there just to show like the crease of the trousers, and we can come downwards. So on the right hand side, we're just going to come downwards like this, or bring it out a little bit, sort of curvy, so it just makes it look like trousers. And then go from the center again. We're going to come in, curve it around there, come inwards like that. Cool. Okay. Now let's do from the knee downwards the sort of shin area and calves either side. So let's go on this side first of all. Just going to come into the inner part. I'm going to draw a little calf muscle, bring my pen in like that. And on this side, I'm just going to bring the pen out ever so slightly and work down to the shin like that, okay? On this side, we'll go in the inner part first of all. Nice little shin area and down. And the outer part, just come down like that, curve it in. So we've got these nice sort of leg areas there. Now he does have two big sort of boot areas going on here. So let's go on this side first. I'm gonna draw like the tongue of the boot coming up here. So it comes up sort of this way. Nice big sort of chunky boot comes around there and down. The outer part comes around here. Let's just keep going with the pen down here to the heel of the boot, and then we'll come around sort of to the front around here, bring it in like that, and then we'll just continue the curve up past that tongue area there. Let's just draw a little sort of chunky sole on like that, and then just to denote it, there's like the lacing area. So what I'm going to do is just pop in a few little diagonals there to this point, and then we'll come back along it like that, just to give that idea of lacing going on, okay? What we can sort of do is just draw a couple of lines in there just to show that too. On this side, similar sort of thing. Let's draw that big old tongue first of all on the front of the boot. So come around here and down. And then at the back there, we're just going to come out, down, bring it downwards to the heel, down to about that point. Then I'm going to draw the underside of the shoes, or curve it around as it comes out, and then back upwards like that. Big old chunky boot, and then we'll continue this way up like that, okay? Again, let's pop in some of these laces. So sort of come down here and across. Just sort of draw in some like nice little crosses along here as we work our way along the boot. And then there's like a chunky little sole area there on it too. So big old chunky boots on the character Juice WRLD. Right, let's go back up to the top now. And then what I'll do is I'm going to draw like the arm areas in here. So what I'm going to do, first of all, it's got like this t-shirt, sort of short sleeve. So what I'm going to do is just curve my pen down, shoulder, come out there where the t-shirt is. Then we're going to cut in to the jacket area. Just pipe that like that. Nice bit of detail. I'm going to do the same on this side. You sort of see a little bit more on the right hand side. So I'm going to come outwards like this, bring it down, then come inwards like that. Again, we're going to do a nice cut in for detail. And then that just leaves us the arms. So let's do this arm on the right hand side first. So I'm going to go down to about this point. This point here is probably the crease of the arm. So I'm going to draw like the bicep area here. So we're going to come down like that, cut in a bit. And then the triceps here. So we're going to come in, cut in like that, down to that forearm. Then we're going to come out and there's a watch on this arm here. So I'm going to come down to about this point. What I'm going to do on the outer part, curve it around there and come in. And on this side, sort of the inner forearm, come in a bit and downwards like that. Now I've done that, I can draw this big old chunky watch. I'm going to do a nice circular element around here, like that, okay? Then I'm going to draw a strap going down beyond the forearm like that. So a big sort of chunky watch. The hands are almost sort of clenched a little bit. So they're going to come down to about this point. So from that watch strap, I'm going to come outwards, down for the thumb area, bring my pen around, down like that. Then I'm just going to come inwards where this finger is, and come outwards and just give a hint of the other fingers on that to the knuckles there. Then I'm just going to bring it in to that watch area there. So it's got that hand in there. On this side, about there, is the crease of the forearm. So I'm just going to draw a little line there to denote that. Now this inner part is sort of hidden with his jacket. So I'm going to come down from about here, sort of draw in a bit of that bicep, sort of cut it in. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to come down to the wrist area about here. So I'm going to just curve it out and then bring it in. Then from this sort of bottom part of this pocket, I'm going to bring my pen down, cut in into the wrist area. So it sort of tapers down that way. The hand is very similar on this side. It's going to come down to about this point here. So what I'm going to do again, draw the sort of palm to the thumb area here. There you go, a nice oblong where the thumb is. And then I'm going to cut in from the outer part there, come down this way, sort of clenched a bit more. So go into the thumb. Then we're just going to have a few little lines for the fingers. Kind of denote that down there like that, okay? So we've got those hands in now. So a couple more things we want to do. Let's go back up to the top. I feel like there's a little bit of stubble on him there. So I'm just going to sort of just cut in a little bit. Just give an idea of like a little hint of stubble on our skin of Juice WRLD. Okay, maybe there's a couple more little lines in there. So we'll just make it look a bit more like him around here. Like that, okay? Just join up those lines. Then what I'm going to do is got a little, so that collar, first of all, just going to just do a little sort of line around it. Then he's got a little sort of bands around his neck. So I'm just going to draw a couple of curves. 1 and then 2. And then a little circular element there. Now he's got like the element of the 9s on his t-shirt. So I'm just going to sort of just give a hint of that going on there. Just a little hint, that's all we need to do. That's all we need to do to make that work. Little sort of curves around there, like that. That's quite nice. Let's go back up to the top here, because we started this collar earlier and then we could draw the rest of it. So what I'm going to do now is just cut in a bit on that side, and then what I'm going to do is just come outwards here for the inner part of the collar. Then I'm going to come downwards here and just sort of just draw a nice little band going down there. Same on this side, sort of come outwards there, draw a nice little band going down here. I'm just going to just sort of cut in and pipe these little areas for a nice bit of Nice bit of detail just along there. And there's almost like these little diamond elements I'm going to draw on here. So I'm just going to pop in a few little diamond elements, just sort of block those in around here. Just little squared elements in there. And then around that, what I'm going to do is just sort of colour in. So it gives a hint that it's sort of like a little bit sort of a shaded area. This part in the middle here, I might as well just fill that in too. That'd be quite nice just to fill it in. Just give a little bit of inking, give it a little bit of sort of inking texture. And then what we've got here is a little bit of detail on the jacket. So I'm just going to pipe in around the edges. And then we've got like a little sort of circular badge element here. Maybe another little small one here. There's a little line going along there, little line going along here. And then again, he's got some little circular elements going on, little diamonds. So just going to give a little hint of that. I can colour it in later on. It's like 4 little lines of these going on. So I'm just going to sort of just denote those all around here. There we go. Just adds a really nice bit of detail. The pockets on these little bits here. I'm just going to draw a little triangular element and line it. It's got a couple of little bits of detail on those. So I'm just going to draw a little bit in there. And then this is almost like lined just down at the bottom here. Ooh, let's just widen that up. And then what I might do actually is just colour in that bottom bit so we just don't forget it's like a dark jacket. And the rest of it I'll sort of add a little bit of sort of darkened colour to it later. Little hint of tattoos on his arm would be good. So I'm just going to sort of just give those little hints around there. So he's got those tattoos on the hands, just around here as well. Just give that hint that he's got the tattoos so it looks more recognisable as the figure of Juice WRLD. On the legs, there's a couple of bands. We've got one going down here. We've got 2 bands going in to the centre here. So I'm gonna, sorry, 1 band, but 2 lines. So we'll put a line in there. We'll put a line in there. That's nice. A little bit of an edge like that. And a little element like that on the pocket. Same thing this side. So I'm just gonna sort of just pipe it a little bit and just add almost like a little zip. And then under that, we've got a couple of little lines as well. So just sort of draw those in, one there, one under there like that. Just gonna pipe these little boot areas just around there, and maybe just the edges as well. And there's sort of like 6 little blocks on the tongue of the boot. So I'm just gonna pop those in like that. Then there's a couple of little bands on the front of the boot and things like that. So actually that little band on the front, I'm just going to draw or fill in with the ink just around the edges there. Maybe leave a little highlighted bit on there. And then I think I'm pretty much done. What I'm going to do now is sort of go in there, sort of colour it up, make sure I've got like the nice sort of bright colours of Juice WRLD. And I think I'm pretty happy with that. Let's just fill that little area in there. Just make sure the hair's nice and textured. And then I think, you know what, I'm going to leave that alone. I'm going to just maybe colour that in later, see how I get on. All right, so that was Juice WRLD on Art Draw. Let me know who else to do in the comments and I'll keep on drawing and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.